We are in the late season part of the bow hunting year. It's what I call the freeze your balls off part of the season. Just ready to go hunt, baby.
Well, that was pretty wild. Actually contemplating, if I would have had an arrow nocked, I might have shot that buck. He was 22 yards in front of me. But he was smaller, which is fine, but I'm kind of got my sights set on something a little bigger, or a doe, and the doe was a little bit farther than he was, so here's my stand. I'm only like 2 sticks high. Exciting walk in. If I would have had an arrow nocked, I would have had a little devil on each shoulder saying, shoot it, shoot it. Or saying, let it grow, let it grow. But I got up in the stand, I'm like 8 feet off the ground. Bow's ready, GoPro's already dead. I'm gonna try to warm that up in my pocket. It's actually really nice in here, out of the wind. That's why the deer love these thick pines in the cold. I don't think it's gonna be long before I see another deer. Hopefully it's a big doe. Smack that sucker. Here we go. She was a pretty hard quarter away, so I gave it a couple inches back. Probably could have been, an inch or 2 more forward, but I have no doubt in my mind that she's smoked anyway with that angle. Probably came out right behind front of the opposite shoulder, which is great. I could see the blood coming out of her while she was running down the hill, so yes, thank you God. What a beautiful day. Finally got a little bit of snow here. It's been brutal cold. And I'm just thankful to be out here hunting and putting some meat in the freezer. Arrow looks great. Caked in blood. Beautiful big doe.
We have become conscious that we will never decrease efforts towards attempting to be better. We understand that if we aren't growing, we are dying. We simply refuse to accept status quo. We will continue to gain education through experience, and when we kill that buck of a lifetime, there will have been nothing accidental about it. Be surgical.